Welcome to Ucode. In this video, we'll learn how to create, edit, and delete tables in Ucode with ease. These steps will help us to manage our project data efficiently. Let's get started. To create a table, click the plus button on the interface and select the Create Table option. Now, we need to enter a label to our table. This is the name that will appear in our workspace. Next, provide a key for our table, which acts as its unique identifier. Once we've entered all the details, press the Save button. Our table has been successfully created and is ready to use. After creating the table, need to add a field to the table, click the plus button and select the desired field type. For this example, we'll choose a text field. Once the field is created, we can add an item by clicking the plus button within the table. Enter any text into the field to populate the table. That's it, we successfully created all table, field and item. In order to edit a table, navigate to the settings icon located on the top right corner of the table view. From here, we can edit details of the table. Simply select the Details section to modify, make our changes, and save them. To delete a table, navigate to the Settings section, then select Data section and last select Model section. Here, we would see a list of all the tables in our project. Find the table we want to delete, and click the red trash can icon next to it. A confirmation dialog will appear to ensure that we want to proceed. Click Confirm, and the table will be permanently deleted. And that's it. We now know how to create, edit, and delete tables in Ucode. With these simple steps, we can manage our data effectively and keep our projects organized. Be sure to watch our other tutorials for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.